I get this question all the time. Devin, should a faceless channel choose a niche where viewers ask for diagnosis first and product recommendations second? Usually, yes, especially if you're a beginner. Here's why. Diagnosis builds trust earlier than recommendations do. If someone searches, why is this happening? They're looking for clarity. If they search, what should I buy? They're already comparing options, and that space is usually more crowded, more commoditized, and harder for a new faceless channel to win. My rule is simple. Pick a niche where the audience has a symptom before they have a shopping list. Use this 3-part test. First, symptom search volume. Are people asking why, which, when, or what's wrong? Second, visual explainability. Can you clearly show the diagnosis in a faceless format with screenshots, examples, or simple visuals? Third, monetization bridge. After the diagnosis, is there a natural next video into comparison, tools, or product recommendations? That's the sweet spot. So instead of best camera for YouTube, the stronger trust building angle is why your videos look soft, and then later, which camera fixes that problem. A practical split is 70% diagnosis content, 20% comparisons, 10% direct recommendations. If you're building this at scale, Satura is useful as the workflow layer to map symptom-led videos into the follow-up comparison and recommendation pipeline. So yes, for most faceless channels, diagnosis first is the smarter niche angle because trust comes before conversion.